Hi guys, my name is Savannah with LivBay Lash. I've been with the company for about 4 years now. This channel is dedicated to all things lashes and beauty. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to apply classic lashes and achieve a little bit of a fuller look. The tray I'm going to be using with our flat lashes are our 0.20 C-Mix trays. We get a lot of questions on what exactly a flat lash is. So what it is flattened to look wider, but it actually is the same diameter as any other classic lash. So I already have my client taped up, so with the flat lashes, what they're gonna do is it's going to create a bolder and darker look, even though she is going for more of a natural set. So once all those bottom lashes are exposed, I'm going to go ahead and find the natural lash that I want. She does have thicker natural lashes, which is great. I still choose to do shorter extensions just on the bottom, just because not only do they last longer, but they adhere a little bit better and create a darker look. So I'm going to use 11s on her bottom layer. I'm going to go ahead and dip. I'm going to go ahead and apply, and as you can see, it adheres perfectly to her natural lash. So with flat lashes, they work for any type of natural lashes, whether they have straight lashes, they have curly lashes. So with my client here, her natural lash tends to go more left. So I'm going to place my flat lash on the right side because it's going to make sure that it adheres straight onto the natural lash and it goes forward. So as I go through the rest of her natural lashes, as I get to the inner corners and things like that, they're obviously going to be more thinned out because inner corners are always a little bit thinner, but these lashes are safe to use throughout the entire set and they adhere great. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you found value in this video. A question for you is, have you used flat lashes before? Leave your answer in the comments below and we'll see you in the next video.